where we created the reference implementation of the Open Digital Architecture canvas in the ODA Component Accelerator workstream, we assumed that Kubernetes would be the default deployment platform for the canvas. That's a good decision, and we aren't proposing to change that, but as new technologies come along, we have to reevaluate and plan for the continuous and seamless evolution of our customer experiences. In WebAssembly Phase 1 Catalyst, we showed that WebAssembly is one such technology that we have to track. But how do we show that we can adopt new technologies into the ODA without unnecessarily disrupting the approach being taken by product vendors or slowing down the adoption of the ODA in CSPs? To address this challenge, in WebAssembly Canvas Phase 2, we're going to show examples of how a WebAssembly implementation of the ODA canvas could work, drawing out what's different about this way of creating components and exploring how compliant WebAssembly-based components can be deployed successfully alongside an existing Kubernetes-based canvas. The use cases being explored are, firstly, how we create a WebAssembly-based canvas that behaves similarly to the Kubernetes-based canvas, permitting any component to be deployed on any compliant canvas. Secondly, how we interwork between a WebAssembly canvas and a Kubernetes-based canvas to permit those two different technology approaches to coexist. And thirdly, how we can support migration of components between the two using open technologies and standard patterns. As a future-thinking architecture view on the evolution of the open digital architecture, we want you to join us on our journey to one possible world beyond Kubernetes.